SEO approach that will help your dealership drive more traffic, increase leads, and ultimately boost sales. Let's get started. First of all, you should remember SEO has something to do with both on-page and off-page optimization. 50% is on-page and 50% is off-page optimization. The foundation of any SEO strategy is your website. So you have to make sure that it is fast, user-friendly, and mobile-friendly. Create a unique, high-quality content that showcases your inventory, offers, and services. So one of my clients had this website. The company paid £300,000 to create a website for their used car dealerships. And as soon as a used car came to the market, it fetched the information, created a landing page, and then published it. It was amazing. I mean, the outside looked very simple, but it was like an iceberg. It had these functionalities under functionalities, and it was amazing. I did SEO PPC for them. So it's very important that you focus on local SEO and claim your Google My Business listing, making sure all information is accurate. You have to have a manager to manage your Google My Business, because sometimes people write fake reviews, which hurts the business. And these fake reviews are either 5-star or 1-star, and you should make sure that you should have a good relationship with those who in your area, those Google support agents at Google My Business in your area, that they let them know if there is a review that doesn't belong to a client, and they write it there. So it's very important. In my opinion, having a Google My Business is pretty much risky, because these reviews could either help a business or hurt a business. So make sure that the reviews are coming from your clients and not whoever write whatever they want. And develop targeted content that appeals to your audience. Create blog posts, videos, guides about car buying tips, because these are very important. And make sure that you have a good customer representatives, because if they do not provide good customer service, it pisses off the customers and prospects. Then they go to your Google My Business and write crappy reviews and just trash the entire business that you have spent a lot of money to develop, and you're paying a lot of money to Google Ads and other platforms to promote your websites, paid advertising, social page. So it's really important that you have the proper customer-focused customer service, because people want to buy a car. They really need the right guidance. They don't need rude customer agents. I mean, what I admire about Amazon is that Amazon is, before it wasn't like that. I mean, a few years ago, it was horrible. Now, I believe that Amazon has the best customer service in the world. I mean, if I'm talking about major player companies, I'm not talking about small businesses, but I even mentioned in my book that you can compete with major player businesses, as a small business, if you are very customer focused and provide lead nourished strategy and customer service, because then they refer your business to each other, and this is how you save money. So today in 2023, or maybe you will be watching this video in 2024 or 2025, it doesn't matter. SEO is evolving based on how search engines are evolving. So whenever you land on this video, remember one thing, that if your business doesn't nourish customer properly, doesn't provide proper customer service, no matter how much good is your SEO and paid advertising campaigns, you will have problem with lead generation and getting customers, because the customers will spread the word, negative words about your business. So try to have a good customer service. And another SEO strategy, these are connected. I know that I am talking about SEO, but really trust me, I mean, if you don't take care of the technicality of customer base, then no matter how good is your SEO, it won't work. In terms of search engine and keyword research, find extensive, do the keyword research and use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords with proper search volume and low competition, and then incorporate these keywords naturally into your content. Social media integration. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Share engaging content. Remember, when you provide your potential customers, when you interact with them and provide the right information about how to buy a car, what type of cars you should buy, how to find out a car is functional or not, and stuff like that, car related stuff. Even you can go deeper to just mechanical information about different types of cars and car parts. Every car, for example, Tesla has always problem with parts in everywhere. In Europe, for example, Tesla has this problem that when you buy Tesla, after a few months, you have problem to, if a part of the car is broken, then you can use the car, because the part is, they have to wait to import that part, and you will have problems. So many people, especially in Norway, many people try to sell their Tesla cars because it's horrible. So these kind of information you can provide on social media, or when you do article writing, content writing. This helps with client to attract prospects, turn them to clients, because they believe that, okay, this dealership provides the right information, I can trust this car dealership. Also use customer testimonials and how-to guides to engage your viewers, keep them on your site longer. So create videos about that, and do the paid advertising on YouTube. Engage in local link building. Partner with local businesses, automotive organizations, and influencers to earn backlinks. These connections can enhance your credibility and SEO. Another aspect is schema markup. Implement a schema markup on your website. These type of structured data help search engines understand your content better, leading to enhanced search results such as rich snippets. And just remember, do the regular analytic review and Google and on the dashboard to see the performance of the website. This helps. So like I said, search engines are constantly evolving given that artificial intelligence is implemented in DeepMind, deep learning are implemented into search engines. If you are doing content marketing, make sure that content writing, make sure that it's not AI generated content because Google does not like it. In the beginning, Google said, yeah, it's okay, you can just do it. It doesn't do any harms. But now, and that back then, I mean, 2 months ago, I warned businesses about it. I said that do not use AI generated content. And there you have it. Now, search engines, outrank websites that use ChatGPT to write contents because a few years ago search engines, there were like link bait and some websites created like lots of content that were spammy. So what I suggest you is write proper content that is human written, not machine written. And then Google won't outrank your website. It's very important if you have a team of SEO experts, just encourage them to write because now many guest posting websites have incorporated some functionality that can recognize machine written content. So it's better not to do that. I mean, not to use those type of contents. Anyway, and later I talk about how to expand your car dealerships to other countries through multilingual SEO. Guys, I share my own knowledge, my own expertise, and what I experienced, what worked for me. SEO is something that, I mean, is very different for every business. There is no one size fits all solutions because every business has different website on different platform, different applications. Some websites is on Magento, some websites are on WordPress, some other websites are created by hand on PHP generated. So there are so many platforms having so many servers, different ISP, and then what country you are, that local area in your country is connected to certain servers which are connected to search engine databases. So if you are in Germany, in Berlin, your ISP and the local Google search engine is different from if you're from, for example, Australia or South Africa. So these are very different. But the search engine processes are the same. But you have to, some websites takes time to come up. Some other websites can come up, I mean, you can rank it faster than other websites. So there are so many technicality behind it to rank a website, and keyword competitiveness. I mean, low competitive keywords can rank higher. Now is Google personalized, and Google Gemini is coming at the end of this year, 2023. Then things might be different. So we'll see how it goes. But the the way you do SEO is the same, like doing keyword research, finding the right keywords for your business, and then doing link building, on-page optimization, content writing, content marketing, video creation, social media marketing. Also remember, URL is also important. For example, when you, let's say, make sure that your focus keyword is in your URL. If you have, for example, Nissan, then the like, I don't know, for example, Nissan 2023, then that should be included. If that is your focus keyword, then it should be in your URL, Nissan-2023. Or cheapest Nissan in London, cheapest dash Nissan dash in dash London. If you give this kind of a structure to URL, then your focus keyword ranks higher. And then make sure that your page has at least 600 words content, and then your image, the focus keyword should be in alt in tag of your image. Then start with focus keyword. Also make sure that your headline 2, headline 3, subheadline 4 contains your focus keyword, but you have to do it naturally, And link, you need an external link. Use the keyword to give external backlink to an external. If you have another website, for example, related to car, then you can link it with do follow link to that website, and one internal link. Link one of your within your content, link to your one of your sub pages. And you can add plus 2 other keywords. Make sure that you optimize with 2 other keywords as well. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.